Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 4th. So we have done this chapter number 12 from unit number 6, the scholar's mother tongue. Okay. So the summary of this chapter is the story is an episode from the famous Akbar Birbal tales. So in this story, what happened one day a Pandit came to the Akbar's court, and once a Pandit challenged Akbar that no one in his kingdom could find out his mother tongue, but Birbal uses his wit and finds it out. The story tells us that whenever we are in danger or at the peak of any emotion, we speak our मदर टंग. ओके. सो ये जो भी मदर टंग होती है, जो हम बचपन से जो लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, बचपन से जो हम लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहे होते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड आर मदर टंग. नाउ कम टू न्यू वर्ड्स. मदर टंग, MOTHER, मदर, TONGUE, टंग, मदर टंग. मदर टंग, दैट लैंग्वेज वी यूज टू स्पीक एंड आवर फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड. जो भी हम बचपन से अपनी जो लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड मदर टंग. ओके. चैलेंज, CHALLENGED, चैलेंज, टू पुट समवन इनटू द टेस्ट. किसी को चैलेंज करना कि क्या तुम ये कर सकते हो, दैट्स कॉल्ड चैलेंज. टिकल्ड, टिकल्ड, TICKLED, टिकल्ड. टिकल्ड मीन्स गुदगुदी करना. इरिटेटेड, IRRITATED, irritated, to showing little anger. Okay. Now come to exercise. Question number 1. Who came to Akbar's court? So a learned Pandit came to Akbar's court. What did he claim to know? So answer will be he claimed to know different language. How did he challenge everybody? He challenged everybody that the court of name is mother tongue. Can anybody tell that what his mother tongue? That he challenged. Now let's talk. What is your mother tongue? So our mother tongue is Hindi. Now come to the next. Make a class dictionary with words from the story. Try to find suitable words for them in your mother tongue. Say these words aloud, then make sentence with those words in your class dictionary. So children, you have to do it yourself. You can make here conversation tickle. Okay. Now write all the words that show you are happy. For example, hooray, haha, that's the example of happiness. Now example of happy is wow. Okay, that's great, and yahoo. These are the sign of showing happy. Okay. Now question number 3. Tick right the right answer. I visited the court of Akbar means you always live there, you came there for a short time, you were born there. I visited the court of Akbar means you came there for a short time. Second, to imitate someone means to copy someone, tease someone, make someone angry. So to imitate someone means copy someone. 4. Look and fill in the columns. 1 has been done for you. Quite, quietly. Fluent, we will add ly, fluently. Angry, angrily, sad, sadly, fiercely, and gently. Now question number 5, match the words in column A with words in column B. We have some words here, we have to match it. Okay, so king, king का children, no. king के साथ कौन होते हैं? courtiers होते हैं, so we will match it. teacher, teacher के साथ students, teacher students. doctor patients. bus driver passengers. lawyer clients. mother and children. Now play this game with a friend. Pick up what you want from any basket. Add a or n before it. Now say the sentence below using these things. So children, you know we कि हम n कब यूज़ करते हैं. n हमेशा वोवल से पहले यूज़ होता है. ओके, सो रग, a rug. pillow, a pillow. bedsheet, a bedsheet. alarm clock, alarm clock से पहले क्या आएगा? an alarm clock. wall clock, a wall clock. wrist watch, wrist watch से पहले a आएगा. ओके, apple, apple यहाँ पे a क्या है? vowel है, so we will add an apple. orange, an orange. banana, a banana. ice cream, an ice cream. bow, a bow. arrow, a arrow. a ball, a bat. a doll, a waistcoat, a long coat, a raincoat, an umbrella. Okay, like Nina said, can I have an apple please? Rahul, yes, here you are. Then Jivika said, can I have a doll too? No, sorry, you can't have that. एप्पल से पहले क्या लगाया हमने? एन. ए, ए क्या है? वोवल है, तो वोवल से पहले क्या आता है? एन. डी क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट्स है, तो कॉन्सोनेंट से पहले क्या लगाते हैं हम? ए. सो लाइकवाइज यू कैन मेक मैनी सेंटेंसेज. ओके, नाउ लेट्स शेयर हाउ डिड बीरबल फाइंड आउट अबाउट द पंडित्स मदर टंग. बीरबल ने कैसे पता लगाया कि पंडित की मदर टंग क्या है? सो आंसर that Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room when he was asleep. He whispered into the Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. The Pandit, half awake, cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. That's how he found his mother tongue. The truth balloon. Suppose you are going on a camping holiday. What are the 4 most important things you will carry with you? Choose from the text attached to the hot air balloon. अगर आप किसी कैंपिंग में जा रहे हो तो कौन कौन सी चीज़ें आप कैरी करोगे? टूल बॉक्स कैरी करोगे? नहीं. रेडियो? नहीं. ब्लैंकेट? यस, क्योंकि सीज़न का पता नहीं होगा ना कि वहाँ पे ठंड होगी या गर्मी होगी, तो अगर ठंड है तो वी विल कैरी ब्लैंकेट. स्विंग किट? नो. मनी? यस, मनी इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. कैंडल? नो. फुटबॉल? नो. द 5 वैल्यूज बुक, द गाइड टू अ हैप्पी लाइफ? नो. बॉक्स ऑफ मैचेस? नो. फर्स्ट एड किट? यस, फर्स्ट एड किट वी शुड कैरी एवरी वेयर. फर्स्ट एड किट. वाटर बॉटल्स? yes, we should carry always water bottles. Food packets also. And jewels? No. So we have to carry blanket, money, first aid kit, water bottles and food packets. Okay, now this is crossword fun. India is a country of many languages. Let's see if you know what the people of the state in this crossword puzzle speak. The clues are given below. The first letter of each answer has been filled in for you. This language is spoken in Orissa. It is spoken in Karnataka. The people of Assam speaks this language. This language is used in Andhra Pradesh. You can hear this spoken in Maharashtra. The people of Kerala speak this language. This is our national language. The language of the Goan people. This is spoken in Tamil Nadu. It is widely spoken in Uttar Pradesh and elsewhere. So I have filled it already. So now first is this language is spoken in Orissa. जो ये लैंग्वेज है वो ओडिशा में बोली जाती है, तो उस लैंग्वेज को हम क्या बोलेंगे? ओरिया लैंग्वेज. ORIYA, ओरिया. सेकेंड, इट इज़ स्पोकन इन कर्नाटका. सो जो कर्नाटका में जो लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? कन्नड़. KANNADA, कन्नड़. थर्ड, द पीपुल ऑफ केरला स्पीक दिस लैंग्वेज. केरल में ये लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है. कौन सी? मलयालम. MALAYALAM, मलयालम. ओके. फोर्थ इज़ द पीपुल ऑफ असम स्पीक दिस लैंग्वेज. सो असम में जो लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? असामीज़. ASSAMESE, असामीज़. नाउ नंबर 5, दिस इज़ आर नेशनल लैंग्वेज. सो आर नेशनल लैंग्वेज क्या है? हिंदी. HINDI, हिंदी. नाउ नंबर 6, द लैंग्वेज ऑफ द गॉन पीपुल, दैट्स कॉल्ड कोंकणी. KONKANI, कोंकणी. नाउ नंबर 7, दिस इज स्पोकन इन तमिलनाडु. सो तमिलनाडु में जो लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है उसको क्या बोलेंगे? तेलुगु. TELUGU, तेलुगु. नंबर 8, यू कैन हियर दिस स्पोकन इन महाराष्ट्र. महाराष्ट्र में कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोली जाती है? मराठी. MARATHI, मराठी. नाउ नंबर 9, इट इज़ वाइडली स्पोकन इन उत्तर प्रदेश एंड एल्सवेयर. दैट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लेटर U. That is Urdu. URDU. So we had known 9 languages. Okay. Oriya, Kannada, Malayalam, Assamese, Hindi, Konkani, and Telugu, Tamil, Urdu, Maharashtra. Okay. So here your exercise is over, children. I hope you have understood. So that's all for today. Thank you, children. Have a good day.